I want to talk about affiliate marketing today in a way that nobody actually talks about. Not the version where someone shows you a screenshot of a big commission check and says to you, you can do this too. The real version, what it actually is, how it actually works, and what you actually need to do to make money from it. Because when I first started looking into this, I couldn't find a straight answer anywhere. Everything was either overhyped or vague, so vague it wasn't useful. So this is the straight answer. Hi, I'm Afiya, single mom building a faceless digital marketing business in real time and sharing everything I learn as I go. Everything in the description, my free guide, my stand store, my 30-minute content routine call. Scroll down, grab what you need. Okay, affiliate marketing, let's break it down. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. That's it. You don't create the product, you don't handle the customer service, you don't ship anything, you just share the link and earn when someone purchases. The beauty of affiliate marketing for someone like me is this: I can promote a product I genuinely believe in to an audience I'm genuinely building and earn real income without needing to create my own product from scratch. How does it work? Well, step one, you have to join an affiliate program. The company gives you a unique link. That link tracks which sales came from you. Step two, you create content that leads people towards the link. You're not directly selling, you're building trust, sharing value, and letting people naturally discover the offer through you. Step three, someone clicks your link, buys the product, and you earn a commission, tracked automatically. And step four, you get paid. Once the content is created and the link is out there, it keeps working. A YouTube video I post today could send someone to my affiliate link 6 months from now. That is what people mean when they talk about income that doesn't require your constant presence. So what do you actually need to make it work? First, a product you believe in. Of course, I promote SWC 2.0 because it's genuinely what I'm using to build my business. That authentically is what makes people trust my recommendation enough to click. Second, you need an audience that trusts you. This takes time. You build it through consistent content that gives real value. You can't skip this step. Third, a clear path from content to offer. Your audience need to get from your content to your affiliate link without having to work for it. That's why I have a stand store. Everything lives in one place, one link, multiple options, easy access. So here are some common mistakes beginners make. And again, I'm speaking from experience. Mistake one, promoting too soon. They get their link and immediately push it before building any trust. Build the relationship first. Mistake two, promoting something they don't actually use. Your audience can tell when a recommendation is hollow. Mistake three, giving up too early. Affiliate marketing takes time. The commissions, they don't start on day one. You're building a library of content that compounds. Mistake four, not having a clear destination. If people can't easily find your link, you're leaving money on the table. And my mistake, I left out that fourth mistake, but definitely not having clear goals. So my free guide is in the description. It walks you through exactly how I set up my affiliate system. And if you want personalized help mapping out your specific setup, I have a 30-minute content routine call. One call and you walk away with a clear system. Link is in the description. Subscribe. I'm here every day this week. I'll see you in the next one.